Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so not seen you for a while because I've actually been on, well, I've had other non-pen related commitments. I've been busy for the past few weeks, so that's all been done now, so hopefully we can get back into making some more reviews, bringing you some more pens, etc. So to start off, what we've got for you here today is not one, not two, not three, but four Parker Slimfold fountain pens. Okay, and as you can see there, all in different colours. So we've got the range of the Parker Slimfold pens from left in blue, green, red and in black colour. There's the barrels for you. Okay, now what's actually happened here, a good customer of mine who watches regular has seen the pen haul videos and he asked me, do you have all the different colours for the Slimfolds, because he'd like the set of all the different colours. So I said yes, we have. We've cleaned them all up, we've serviced them, and here we have them. So I hope you like what you see, Michael, and the pens will be on the way to you quite soon. But yeah, what we've got here is what we term as the Mark 1 Parker Slimfolds from 1962 to around about 1975, although saying that this particular model was sort of 1960s, because they then brought out a transitional pen, and then later they brought out what they term as the Mark II Slimfold. Now I think I've got one of them, so what I'll do, I'll leave that for another video, for another review. So what we'll do, we'll just concentrate on these particular pens here. The Slimfold came out, they were the smallest pens within the sort of, well, the Parker New Dufold range of that particular period. But as you can see, came in these four different colours. The cap bands, you can see sort of quite a small cap band on each one. You've got the very recognisable Parker arrow clip there, and to the top there, each one has got a matching coloured jewel to the top, and as you've just seen, the barrels are also matching colours. Now on these pens, the imprints actually sort of differed slightly, and I think if I just show you these two here, if we can just get it right for you. Okay, I think that's one, that's two there. Okay, so I'm hoping you can see there the imprints were slightly different on both of these pens, because, well, the early ones and the later ones, as I said, slightly different imprint. One of them, as in the green one, had Parker Slimfold on the top line with Made in England to the bottom, whereas the blue one, okay, if I show you there, you can see it's got Parker Slimfold on the second line and then Made in England to the bottom line. So the imprints sort of differed slightly, again depending whether it was the earlier model or the later. I'm not quite sure which is which. What also differed slightly is the nibs on these particular pens. I believe the red one and the green one, we can show you the difference. The early nibs, I believe, had the N for the New Haven factory, and then later on they brought out these two particular nibs here. Let's keep them nice and still for you, and you'll see, well, they both have Parker 14 carat. The difference being, one has the number 5. I believe the red one there has got the number 5, which is the correct nib for the Parker Slimfold, and if you look at the green one there, it's got the number 5 and then also a number 8 to the bottom, which is the date of the pen, and in this particular case I would say 1968. But apart from that, very similar. I mean, again, in general they have the number 5, which is the correct nib for the Parker Slimfold. They have the sort of recognisable sort of ladder feed there, as you can see, and as always everything's been cleaned and is in lovely condition. All these pens have what they term as a aerometric filling system, and if we show you, let's say on the blue one, and again just to show you the nib on this one, you can see has got the number 5, again the correct nib. Okay, so if we unscrew the barrel for you, and there you go, that's what we term as the aerometric filling system. You've got all the filling instructions on the sap protector there. It says Parker and then tells you how to fill the pen. Incidentally, on some of these pens, on I think 2 or 3 of them, this sap protector on these pens has got a tendency to, well, so not rust, it sort of deteriorates and is very dirty. So 2 of them were very dirty. It may actually even be this one, but as you can see, what we've done, we've cleaned them all up. Everything is nice and clean as they should be. And if we just show you maybe, let's say another one, the green one. Okay, so as you see, the sap protector, 2 of them were very sort of, not pitted, they were very dirty. They've got a tendency for some reason to be very dirty, maybe over the years, etc., but they've all been nicely cleaned and they all look as they should do. So there we have it. Incidentally, the size of them capped on these pens is 125 millimeters capped around the barrel. They're a nice sort of 10.5 millimeters in diameter. They make great everyday user pens. They're a no nonsense quality made fountain pen, and well, yeah, superb writers as well. I'm not going to sort of fill the pens because, as we said, these are going to the customer, and I'm sure he's going to be more than happy with them. And then what he'll do then, he'll have each colour within the Slimfold range of pens. There you go, there you've got the jewels to the top there, and in lovely condition. Okay, so there we have it. We've got the green, the red, the black and the blue in the Parker Slimfold range of fountain pens. So as I said, Michael, I hope you're happy with what you see there. Don't forget, people, don't be shy, leave a comment down below, press that thumbs up to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the videos as well, and don't forget, wherever you are around the world, especially our friends in the Ukraine, please stay safe. Slava Ukraini. But for now, from these gorgeous little pens here, I'll just say bye bye for now.